Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. And just from the picture you can see that I'm going to talk about ticker symbol SPRT, which was up by 41% today, and again after hour it is up by 14.6%. At one point after hour it went to 23.8, it came down, so maybe it was around 20% up. And this is not the first time I'm talking about SPRT. I have been making videos on SPRT back to back few days, 3-4 days. Then I stopped. In my last video I said, is it coming to 18 or 20 soon? And today it came to 20, and after hour it is over $20. So we have been crushing it. We are on this particular stock since $4, making money in and out. But again, very profitable. Whoever has bought it shouldn't complain because this is the high, right? So you're making money. So again, in this particular video I want to talk about SPRT, the support, resistance, technical setup, short interest data, also some other variables that you might like, also something from Reddit, and finally the option chain activity, why you are thinking and where you should go. Anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my community. So I have a Patreon community. If you want, you can join the Patreon, and there will be a link to the Discord, so we can all live and you can get instant notification and trade ideas during the day, pre-market, even after hour. Not only for SPRT, but we have been killing it. Today we called so many different stocks, and for all of it we did really good. For day traders other than SPRT, we also did good. I'm not going to go through all the lists, but if you go and check, definitely you will see there are so many posts and we made money on this. Also, I have a YouTube community. If you want, just join the community. Here the same thing, I post a lot of things, support, resistance, trade ideas. So if you want, just come and join any of the community. But I prefer Discord because you see we have so many different types of channel. We can talk and we can make money together. Anyway, so first of all, if we look at all US exchange price volume leader for today, definitely number 1 is right, then AMC, but number 3 is SPRT with 101 million shares traded today. A big number, 101. And why it is so important? Because if you look at the average volume, it is only 22 million. And today's volume was 101 million. 5 times more volume came. Let me show you something else. In my previous video I showed you the same chart that look at the yellow bar, the volume, the amount of volume, around 282 million volume came sometime in March, and the volume was less, but now you see the yellow bars, they are rising, meaning that more and more volume is coming. Each and every day it is having more volume. So currently we are around 100 million volume. What will happen if the volume is around 200, even 250 or 280? So the current price is at 20, it can go to 40, 50 or even more, who knows. So anyway, in my every video I just want to show you how the volume is increasing day by day, so you get a sense. Coupled with that, it has a very high short interest, 60-70% more volume, price is going parabolic. If you don't call it parabolic, then what else you can say parabolic. So anyway, this is the picture, right? Okay, now let's go back to the chart. First of all, this is a daily chart. Yeah, so this is the daily chart here. You can see it has been going up and up almost each and every day. It has green candle, and today's candle is a massive candle. Looking at a daily RSI, you can see the current RSI is 90. Previously it went to 90 and there was a pullback. So if there is a pullback, is not uncommon because it has been running a lot. On the other hand, when skews happen, it can go up and up. Look at the MACD, it has been going higher. So this is the line, and this is the overall trend line I was using. As long it was going up and down, there was a trend, and now you see it went way higher than the overall trend, and this is why we are calling it squeeze has begun, or some people are still saying it has not begun, it will go even higher and higher. Anyway, I'm not going to debate. As long the price is going higher, we are happy. So let me show you something. So we ended the day around 22, right? 22, and now you can see at one point we went all the way to 23.84, came down, but still we are holding the level. This is a very good sign. Even after hours, sometimes things go up and comes down, but this thing went up and is still staying a very healthy level around 22.67, 23. So again, as long it is held, maybe pre-market it will open even higher and it will just go from there, and you will see the parabolic will even go higher and higher. So very exciting, but a big caution that it has ran a lot. If you do not want to If you're not sure and if you do not know what to do, maybe you can avoid, because this thing can go very fast. Within 1 minute it can go $2 and again it can come down. Very volatile. If you have a strong stomach, I would say you can play with this and you can hold. Otherwise, if you have a weak stomach, I would say in that case just leave it and just see what's happening. But anyway, a very profitable one. Try with a small share, invest and hold, and let's see where it can go. Even just by 10 shares if you don't have enough money or you want to participate in this particular journey. So this is the 1 hour chart. After hour, I also want to go the 5 minute. You can see it went up, came down to 21.1, and again it is trying to go up. So these are some of the lines I want to show you now here, that it has a very strong support around 14.7. Today it ended around 13. So it went up, came down, bounced off that 14.7. The next support became 16.3. Then the next support became 17.5. Then the next support became 19.6. The next support is 21.1. So you can see that it has been making higher and higher supports. It comes down and bounces off. So hopefully it will not come back. Maybe the next support will be 22.5. Who knows? But if it comes from 22.5 and bounce off, that's the best thing. In case it comes to 21.1 and again bounce off, who cares, right? What you can do, you can set some limit buy order around 21.1. If it comes, you just buy it, right? I remember the day before pre-market, like the day it was around 14, I set some limit buy order around 12.1 and it was moving around this area, around 13-14 area. Only for maybe few seconds it came to 12.1. My order filled 12.1 and then yeah, I got it at 16. So anyway, it doesn't hurt if you set some limit buy order. It doesn't hurt, trust me. If it not get filled, this is okay, but set some limit buy order. While we are speaking, it seems like it is going even higher. So anyway, let's go back to Fintel now and what we can see from Fintel. So few funny thing. So there is no shares available to short. This is the best thing, right? 0 shares available to short. Fintel is not showing the borrow fee rate, but I will show you that in Reddit I found now it is 100%. It was 80% in my last video. It was 95%. Now it is 100%, meaning that the longer the shorts are shorting, they have to pay more interest fee. If you come down here, you can see the daily short volume ratio 50-60. It was 34 yesterday, 52, and today's data is not yet here. We have to see. I'm sorry, I'm mixing up because it was a crazy day today. I had a Discord and I was very busy, so feeling kind of tired. But anyway, let's go back to Reddit and look at the short squeeze. I like this particular channel a lot because it talks a lot about things, and now everything is about SPRT. Some people are saying the 7 million shares of SPRT shorted between $4 to $7 have not covered yet, and many posts I see that still the shorts are still shorting it. They are not covering yet, so the squeeze has not started yet. So the borrow fee, I said, you see this is 104%, really high. Also, this is another image. If you want, you can come and see that the current short interest is 64.9. I do not know, because last time when I looked at it, it was around 65%, and it seems like it is even higher. The one meaning could be the shorts are even shorting this more to bring it down. So in that case, if it is going higher and higher, these shorts have to cover, and maybe that is why we saw 42% increase during market hour, and even after hour we are going like 20%. Maybe this is the case. If we go down more things, I like this particular one because they talk about a lot. So SPRT, well, looks like I was right. The GME and SPRT run-ups are all too similar. Why? Because the borrow fee is now 100%, float is 75.55%, 0 shorts are left available to short. Utilization is 100%, margin calls coming. Margin calls for the shorts are coming. So things can go. I do not want to make any hype. I'm just presenting the information I see. And again, I'm just giving you a caution that it can come down. It's entirely possible. So only play with the money you are okay to lose. It doesn't mean lose, like it will not go to 0, but maybe you can have a loss if it comes down. So just a caution, right? Whenever something is going parabolic, I do not want to say just buy. I do not want to pump, just want to give a caution always. So anyway, I can go through this, but this is not my intent. So let's see some few other things. So the most active options for today, SPRT, I see it here. So almost 296,000 options were traded today and 80% was call option, because I see some are put option because some people thought maybe it went too high, it has to come down. So that is one thing. Also, if you go to Nasdaq, there is a report that unusual option activity on Airbnb, Intel and support.com. So let's look at support.com. So there were a total of 5,000 contract traded for 23 strike call option, right? And the time of the writing, it was $13. And you see it hit 23, so almost doubled. So looking at the call option activities, so the latest call option, that with the earliest call option, will expire on September 17th. And look at the volume graph. The first video, the furthest call option was 18, then they created something 23, and now they have even for 30 strike price. This is really good. So you can see many call options around 18 or this area, they are close, meaning that they took the profit. But look at the funny thing, is still 18 strike price, lots of call options are still open. The good thing I like, just looking at here, right, the 30 strike price, 18.4 call options were traded today. So that's the big picture. I do not see any big put here. Still maybe people are not believing that it will come down soon. So anyway, just a bear article came today, and I just wanted to show you on investor place. It's saying that let support.com stock retrace to $5 before placing your order. So anyway, I'm not gonna say anything. It came 10 hours ago. It wants to go to $5 because the imminent bar chart is exciting, but the SPRT stock price is not supported by the data. Anyway, he's saying go for $5. Currently it is $23. So I'm not gonna go through this report and don't want to talk anything. If you want, you can just read it. So anyway, while we are talking, let's look at the chart. It is now 23.2. While we are talking, it's going even higher and higher. So very, very excited. Okay, let me go because I have been doing a lot of trading on this one. I'm holding one part and the other part I'm just doing day trading and swing trading. Very, very exciting. And if you want to join our Discord and you want to make money on SPRT or any other stock, please join. So for the early member, there is only one spot remaining. Then we have the formal, and we also have some VIP patron who can ask me anything about any stock. So anyway, I hope you've found this video useful. In that case, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also, please join my Patreon or YouTube community to get more instant trade ideas during the day. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.